Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Hey, and for today's video, today is February 16.
This one is bike.
What are you doing?
And a bike can lubasin the ako car.
So, February 14 is Saturday, so duty ako nun. Well, anyway, we went to Feb Fair. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog. May mga short clip video lang ako. And then today, we will go outside for a walk. So, also, Sage can bike outside. And yun lang naman. February 14, Sage and I have a dinner outside. Simple lang. Naghanap lang ako ng aesthetic na coffee shop na nire-recommend sa akin. And also, tinry ko kasi yung matcha doon. So, hindi lang naman ako sa istorya nagmamatcha. Nagtry ako ng ibang matcha. Nagtry ako ng expensive na matcha pero hindi ko nagustuhan. Pero this time, yung last na pinuntahan ko, gusto ko yung matcha. And I was craving also at this point and I really want to go back there. Maybe later. Lapit lang naman siya. And, noong February 14 din, I also have I received flowers also from MJ. Pero, iniwan ko na siya sa bahay kasi hindi ko siya kailangan dalhin. Baka masira lang. And, preserve ko siya ulit. Like, I used to preserve the flowers before ginawa ko na yun. So, ngayon, gagawin ko ulit. Anyway, nag-init and parang gulo na naman. Hindi ko alam ang gulo ng weather pero sipon ako. There's a train? So, narinig niya yung train. Ito kasi medyo rinig sa side na yan. So, gusto niya makita. Sad ako guys kasi naiwan ko yung nawawala yung pad ko. I don't know where did I put. Gusto ko siya nawala. So I think February 14 ko siya nawala. So I'm really so sad na hindi ko na siya makita. I think somewhere sana na misplace ko lang siya at makita ko. No, but I'm really so sad kung hindi ko na siya makita kasi kailangan ko lang. Bibili na naman ako ng bago. It's very expensive. And nalulungkot ako na nawala ko siya. Update ko na lang kayo later sa mangyayari. That's it. Good morning. Coffee.